Today we're going to learn about linear equations. Standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. Standard form is another way to rewrite a linear equation, and it's important because later on you'll be able to figure out how to find the x and y intercepts using this form. It's also a more simplified version, and it tells you if something is a linear equation or not. So let's figure out if we can transform these three problems into standard form. So for this first one, if we add 3x to both sides of the equation, we're going to get 3x plus y is equal to 4. And just like that, we have standard form. We have the x term here, followed by the y, and equal to some value of c. Now when solving for standard form, the x term is usually first, followed by the y term. So following by that suit, in order to transform this second problem into standard form, where the x term is already here, let's just subtract the y term from both sides so that we get 0 is equal to x to the third minus y plus 5. So now we already have the x and y term set up properly, but now we have the 5 on this side, which we can subtract from both sides to get negative 5 is equal to x to the third minus y, or x cubed minus y. And this is the same as x cubed minus y is equal to negative 5. So we've effectively written this in standard form. As you can see, the first problem had an a value of 3 and a b value of 1, because there's nothing in front of the y. And the second problem just had an a and b value of 1, since there's no coefficient in front of x or y. So it's just given as 1. How about this last one here? Well, actually, if there's a term with two variables, x and y, you actually cannot write it in standard form at all. So this third problem you can't write in standard form at all. And so thus you know it's not a linear equation.